Hi everyone, it's Purranoid. Welcome back to Purranoid's Art Room. Today's video is for December 6th, and in the 2025 Advent calendar for Shimmer Drops, the color of the day is summer. And for the Doodlewash Paint Draw Challenge of December, the drawing and painting is going to be of a nutcracker. So get your guesses in right now. What color or colors do you think that summer is going to be? Place your bets and let's open up this watercolor. Nice blue shiny paper. Is there going to be any blue? You guys already all know because you looked at the thumbnail. I don't know why I'm saying put your guesses in. I'm putting the color and the picture in the thumbnail. All right, here we go. But it is a beautiful, bright gold. Like the doubloon one had more elements of black in it. So this is pretty nice. A nice big shiny color. And it doesn't have any color shift to it. It's just going to be a shimmer watercolor. Let's get it prepped up for painting, and then we're going to move on to drawing the nutcracker and painting with this one color.